हेलो, हाय, नमस्ते और पहलाग उत्तराखंड। कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम दिल्ली निकल लेते हैं। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि हम बहुत शहरों में दौड़ने को निकल लेते हैं और कई बार बनारस की गलियों में भी घूम लेते हैं और प्रयागराज भी चले जाते हैं और कई बार शिक्षण के क्षेत्र में बहुत अच्छे काम भी करते हैं। मैं अपनी बात नहीं कर रहा, कैमरे के उस तरफ जो है अखिलेश की बात कर रहा हूँ। बात करते हैं और अखिलेश जिस तरह से दौड़ रहे हैं, क्या है उनके अंदर, आखिर क्या लेके आता है। हाय अखिलेश, कैसे हो भाई?
ठीक हूँ सर। थोड़ा सा आईटी बैंड फ्लेयर हुआ बट स्टिल फिनिश्ड।
हाँ, आज कितना डिस्टेंस यार? पहले
25
तो
kilometers.
25 किलोमीटर।
Yeah.
एक बार अपना बिप दिखाओ।
This is
ये
my
है
bib.
बिप। यस।
You know, like I have something to say.
Yes.
This says Akhilesh Ram Naresh Yadav.
Okay.
I actually lost my father recently in January.
ओहो।
And I have decided that whatever run I'll do in my life, all my life, or whatever physical activity or athletics I'll do
Uh-huh.
it for him. I'll dedicate it to him. So this run was very special for me, even though I
Oh,
haven't been
that's
running for
great.
a while.
Uh-huh.
But you know, I decided to come here. I just ran like 10 kilometers. Then I decided, Kimari is tough, right? Terrain, uphill,
Yeah,
down,
it's uphill.
tough.
Yes.
But I still decided to show up just for him because you know he would be so proud of me. And he just don't want to. Okay, so let's talk about you. The thing is, you know, there are some people who inspire us, right? I will not dedicate my running fully to you. That's not the case. But you have been a great inspiration, partly because you explore so many areas. You are someone whom I met like some 9 years back, and you have been consistent. You know what I see that people lack these days is consistency in their behavior. You have been very consistent.
Oh, thank you.
Wherever you
That is
meet
all
me.
because of good people around me like
Maybe,
you,
maybe,
Akhilesh.
but I don't know, but it's just the warmth you have, the warmth you carry, and the best part about it all is everyone says the same thing. That's a great thing, you know.
That's a big compliment and big,
Yeah.
what do you call that? Kind of motivation for me to move forward.
I mean, that's the way you are, you know. Even like everyone I talk to, like all the kids, there have been a lot of batches that have passed out, but they all feel the same. I'm still stuck in Delhi, you know. I don't like to interact with people much. I'm bad at keeping in contact. But you know the feelings, the emotions that I have for you, for the annihilation of the whole of Dehradun, it's just amazing. You know, I'll again come back to the point how you explore so many shades of life. You know, when I met you like 9 years back, your
Yeah.
English was not so fluent. And
Yeah, you told me
about
that earlier also.
But you have improved it a lot. You improved your Hindi fluency and the way you present on the stage. It has all improved, and that's a rare trait for a growing up man. That's a very rare trait for a growing up man, and that's commendable, you know. And that is why I have decided to like explore more shades of my life, be it athletics. I was never a runner, but I have been motivated by Madhav Bhaiya, Lal sir, Satyam Bihar runs a lot. There are a lot of people in Delhi who run, a lot of clubs are there. So it's a cumulative motivation. But they all emanated from you, right? They all, you know, took a leaf out of you. I'm very proud to say that. I always wanted to say that, but you know, maybe paucity of time, maybe my laziness, we don't say that. But I want just show my gratitude to you. I want to do that to a lot of people.
Thanks a lot, and
But-
it means a lot
Yeah.
for me,
I
Akhilesh.
mean, that's just beautiful, yeah. And that is why I asked you to record this. You know, thank you so much. And you know, like a lot of ups and downs will come and go. And I'm going through a very rough patch, but that's okay. That's a part of life, and I want to accept it. I want people to accept it. Actually, no one does. You cannot accept the departure of a man who was a anchor
Yes,
of your life.
that's
You can't
it.
do
That's
that.
it. That's it.
And I'm not even trying.
I can understand that. I lost
I
my
know.
father during COVID,
I
so
know,
I understand.
I know how you used to take him to Rishikesh, and you used to tell me that, and that's just thank you so much. Very kind of you. You know,
Thank you, Akhilesh, and keep on moving
Yeah.
and keep on doing.
I'll be running 50 kilometers next year for sure.
Thank you, and all the best for
Thank
next
you
year.
so
All the
much.
best.
Thank you so much.